This is a cylinder head for a Dodge Cummins 12 valve. The injectors are out right now, and when I look down inside there where the injectors go, I can see that there's some rust down inside there. So I'd like to try and clean that out. Some are worse than others. This one is not as bad. Okay, so I was going to use this tool here. It was a little on the big side, so I just held it against my vise while it was running in the drill, and then eventually it got a little smaller. So it's about the right size. I can just kind of start to wiggle it in to that opening now, but it's on the short side. So up next I would like to extend this thing. I left a bit of a gap there, so the angle is to help try and line them up. Has a bit of a wobble. But I think it should still work okay. This one looks like it's got the worst rust, so I'll start with that one. See if something's happening. Well, it's doing something. I'll work at it a bit more. It's pretty well all gone except for kind of on this side. So I'll put a little more pressure there. I'll do a little more. They all look approximately the same now, reasonably clean. And I think this was the worst one here. And right on that wall that's visible to the camera now, I think there may be some pitting damage, possibly, but it's pretty clean. There's another one. But it turns out I won't be using this head after all. Anyways guys, thanks for checking out another video.